subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Nokia launched two new 2023 edition feature phone in India called Nokia 105 and Nokia 106. Among these two, the Nokia 106 is the higher variant with 4G support. Now let's see the specifications of the Nokia 106 4G phone. The new Nokia 106 4G supports a 1.8-inch display with double QVGA resolution, and it runs on S30 Plus operating system. The handset includes MP3 player, voice recording feature, and further there is microSD card slot that supports up to 32 GB. The device packs with 1450 mAh removable battery that is said to offer up to 8 hours of talk time and up to 12 days of standby time. Additionally, the phone comes with inbuilt special UPI payment system that allows user to transfer money without internet access, and it also comes with a torchlight equipped at the top end of the phone. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Bluetooth 5.0, FM radio with both wired and wireless support, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 121.5 by 50 by 14.4 mm and it weighs around 93 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this feature phone. The new Nokia 106 4G has been priced in India at 2,199 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in charcoal grey and ocean blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia 106 4G phone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.